How to enable Instagram dark mode on iOS device or Android device. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. So, once you're on Instagram, if you head over to the settings of your account and search for dark mode, then the feature or the option will not be visible to you. So what you gotta do is head over to the settings of a device, move into display and brightness. You can see the option of dark mode. You need to click on it. Once your device is on dark mode, it will automatically change the Instagram to dark mode. In order to check it out, head over to the app. And there you can see the dark mode has been enabled on Instagram. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.